Hi, this is Henry from Henry's Bird Room. Good morning or good afternoon, wherever you might be. As we talked about yesterday, we've been keeping an eye on really cool Norwich and bronze mix that I'm trying to do. It's supposed to be hatching today, so it's going to be a lot of really cool shit that's going to happen. So let's keep an eye on it together. Let's see if the hatchlings came up. If they do, it'll be a really cool color. I came up with it, so I named it Sunburst. So it's mine, so fuck it, it's mine. So let's go check it out and see if the hatchlings came up already. Get a ladder, short people can look. Alright, let me see. My lovely wife is my helper. You get to meet her one of these days. Let's go check it out. Jump. Come on. Look, guys. This little guy was born only a couple of hours ago. Isn't it gorgeous? The other two might end up hatching tomorrow, so stay tuned with me. And we'll be watching the whole process together all the way till they get to be that big and beyond. That one is only a couple of months old. These guys down here are from this year. They're 62 days old. Okay? So let's keep an eye on all the progress from all these. And by the way, guys, I have two more that's supposed to be hatching within the next, I'd say, a week or so. And these are going to be, pardon my French, cool as fuck. This one right here is going to be fantastic. This one is the one that I told you guys yesterday, which is a peach frost, kind of rose kind of color, and with a male bronze. The baby should be coming out really cool, like I told you guys yesterday. So that one, I got another one here that is an Isabel Frost with my my red Gloucester. Those should be really, really beautiful. So let's keep an eye on all these stuff together, and give me views, and give me likes, and hit that subscribe button hard, and keep track of me, and we'll keep track of everything together. Okay? Bye.